In this video, we're going to go over how to find account number on the Rockland Trust app. First things first, of course, you need to log into the Rockland Trust app. Okay, enter your username and password, sign in. Now, from the dashboard, you want to basically select your account. So you need to tap on the checking or savings account. You need the number 4. This will open up the account details page. Now here, what you need to do is look for, account details or account info section, and your account number may be partially hidden for security reasons. You just need to tap on the eye icon or the show full account number to reveal that, okay? Or we can do this in an alternative method. If you cannot find this in the app, you just go to the statement section. You just check for a bank statement. You can request one to your email as well. Just download a recent e-statement where your full account number is usually listed, okay? And another way, of course, if you're still unable, just call Rockland Trust customer service. This is their number, verify your identity, and they'll provide your account number, okay? Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided a value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.